Yeah, you tell the hardware department to provide you a server with this configuration. So if you want RAID, you tell them, right? If you want so much of CPUs, so many CPUs, you tell them, right? So they will prepare it for you. Okay. So then after that, what do you do? Or you you get a LUN, LUN, worldwide number. Like if I have storage area network in the company, they will allocate a small portion, a slice, a volume for you, and they give you a worldwide number. So you point to that number. So that is a volume for you. That is a space for you, right? So you can do that way also. But anyway, you're installing the SAP in your server, right? But you are using that space as an additional space for data or some other purpose. Okay. Yeah. Then what is the next one? We create a loop, virtual loop. We create a software loopback. If suppose loopback is something to test the network connectivity, right? Those days, I can remember about 10, 15 years ago. So at that time, networks are not that popular. So if you want to check, if you are preparing a machine to sell, if you want to check whether networking is okay in the machine, we put a loopback adapter at the end of the loopback in one of the ports, and then we do, right? We check it. So, but in a system also, that's a hardware loopback, right? But system also has a software loopback, right? So Microsoft loopback, if you install Microsoft, right? So that you create and give an IP address. Okay, software loopback created with IP address, with an IP address. If you don't have a network card, you can do this. But if you have a network card, you don't have to worry about this. Okay. If no physical NIC available. The IP address you give here is not relevant to your network. So IP address what you are giving is just arbitrary. It's a not related to your network. Not related to your network. You know what I mean, right? If your network address is 192.168.0, here you don't have to give the network address 192.168.0. It can be 165.75.80 or something, right? 165 is 165. Pardon?
Normally for the loopback, you will always use 127.0.0.1.
Yeah, but this is a software loopback, so we give an IP address. Okay.
Yeah.
For hardware loopback, we use 127.0.0.1, right? But here we say 165.75.0.0. So that is the network address. So based on that, you give IP address. So 165, 145.0.5, right? Yeah, so different network, different IP address. Don't give an IP address related to the same network you are connecting your machine, right? Okay, then what else you do? Swap space we increased. You have to check the host name because you already got the solution manager key based on the host name. So make sure your host name is correct before you install. Maybe the person who installed and gave it to you. You ask the operating system, you ask the hardware guy to give you the hardware. Then you ask the operating system guy to install operating system, right? So you got it. So you have to check the host name, right? Right? You know what I mean, right? So because you're not doing this. You're getting only a machine with operating system, right? And most probably you may not get the root password. They may not give you the root password also. So they will create a user who has some power for you to do the installation, right? Right. If Windows, you have to use NTFS partition. Yeah, I don't know. Partitions, right? I'm typing faster than the machine, that's why. Yeah. Okay. So we have to use NTFS partitions. So we can't install in DOS partitions. Or we can't install in what are other partitions for Windows? But FAT partition we cannot. No. Okay. Then what else? Then before we install Java, sorry, before we install Oracle, we have to install Java. We have to install Java. Okay. After installing Java, then next step is install only the database. Don't configure, don't create data. Just install only the database application. Just Oracle means Oracle. Don't create database. Okay. SAP installation will create database. Okay. So only database application. Then when you are installing that, preferably use the same SID. So you decided on a SID for SAP. So use the same SID. Okay. So now we will come. So this is the machine we are going to use for installation. Okay. So first we have to check the computer name. So we'll check the computer name. So computer name is what? PRD system, right? PRD system. So we write down the computer name. Where's the host name? PRD system. So what is the SID we are going to use? Have we decided on the SID? We use the SID PRD because I want this to match the other systems. So we said, we said QSY, DSY. So PSY is better, right? That's why I just named it PSY here. So our SID should going to be PSY to match our existing servers. So where is the SID? The SID is going to be so, and what is the instance number we are going to create? The first instance central instance is going to be 01. So where is the instance here? Yeah. So I'm going to use the instance 01. 01. So based on that, I have to get a solution manager key. So I will try to get a solution manager key. Let's see. So Solman, hope this one. No. Oh, that I can't remember. I hope the instance is correct. No, instance is not correct. So it should be 97, I think. No. Last try, 91. I have to go and check. Oh, that works. See? You try 3 times, 7 times, then you will win. Then you say login done. So I will type a command here called SMC. Normally in Solution Manager 4 and 7.0, they used to use SMC heavily to create the system landscape. Okay. Oh, okay. So I type SMC. So don't know about those. So I just say other object. I went to server, went to other object. Then I will create the, what is the name of the system? PRD system. That's the name I gave, right? Is it PRD system? PRD system.
PRDSOS.
Yeah, PRD system. PRD. No, product system is PRD system. No. I think that is PSY. PSY. Then I create here solution manager key. Okay. Solution manager key. It will ask me for the other ones. Okay. So I have to create a system. But the only thing I don't know whether I have PSY already here. PSY you don't have, right? Okay. So let me go here like this. Product system. Okay. So I will say create a product system with assistant, right? Go here. So system is PSY. Zero one. Yeah, but we are installing one system, right? Normally in development first, yeah. Yeah. We assume that we have already done it. It's not taking. It's not allowing me to type. ECC server. I didn't select ECC server. Continue. 01. And then what is the server name? PRD system, right? PRD system. So that's it. I'm not interested in any of these. So I'll just continue. So complete. So I created a system under product system, ECC, we created PSY. Okay. So this is a system I created. So now I will go back. Other object. Okay. So PSY is there already. Then I created solution manager key. Okay. So PSY system number is 01. Okay. Message server is PRD system. And the key is this. So this is the solution manager key I'm going to use. So I will copy that here. Where's the solution manager key?